Well, I do something different every day. So one day it might be a show with these guys. Another day it might be covering a Tiger game, covering a Lions practice. So, I mean, it's kind of cool. You get some variety. I was a king of crappy jobs. And I remember thinking like, God, you know, it'd be great if I could work a job that I actually liked. So I remember where I was working at this security distribution place, and I was listening to the NCAA basketball tournament, and I'm like, God, I'm so sick of working. Like, this sucks. So my brother was in radio, and he seemed to like it. So, you know, I'll go to Specs Howard. I don't know, it's been a pretty fun job. I've covered World Series, I've covered Super Bowls, NCAA tournament. I would say the coolest was when Armando Galarraga threw a perfect game, but then he got robbed. And the umpires usually never talk, but in this situation, obviously, he had to talk because he screwed up the call. When that happened, I was the only guy allowed with a recorder. So either I got it or nobody was gonna have any sound. I just like the fact that I like what I do, I'm doing what I want to do. You know, I get to give my opinion on a pretty huge platform and people hear it. If I didn't have Specs Howard, then where else would I get those reps? So at least going into my first job, I kind of like knew what was coming. I knew what was in store for me. I don't know if I could get that first job without having gone there, so which led to eventually being here.